Hey guys, welcome back to My Tech. Today we are exploring a platform that's starting to make waves in the world of AI education and digital skill building. A platform designed for creators, students, professionals, and anyone who wants to stay ahead in a new AI powered area. The platform is called Cursive and it has quickly become one of the most structured, clean, and thoroughly full design learning experience I have come across in a long time. If you have ever felt overwhelmed by the noise of online AI content, endless tutorials, scattered information, and complicated tools, Cursive takes a completely different approach. From the moment you land on the dashboard, you have agreed with a beautiful, minimal, modern interface that makes learning not only simple but genuinely enjoyable. There are weekly streaks to help you build disciplined guidance, create for a real world usage, and daily challenges that turn learning into a habit instead of something you are started and never finish. One of the standout elements of Cursive is the structured learning paths. Like the first step to profit with AI. Mastery guide instead of random tutorials, you get a clear step-by-step random map designed to actually help you apply a concept, whether you are using it to build a side gig, streamline your workflow, or simply become more confident with tools like ChatGPT and other AI applications. But not that all. Cursive offers you a wide range of challenges such as a 2025-28 days AI challenge, the Junior AI challenge, the 14-day AI slide gigs channel challenge, and even a no-code challenge. For people who wants to build things without writing a single line of code, these challenges are perfect for those who learn best through action. Each day gives you a small task, a clear global and visible progress as you level as your skill. And if you are someone who use AI daily, whether for a content creation, research, business, or automation, you are going to love their platform library. It's a completely bind of ready to use high quality prompts right inside the app. Duration 40 days level beginner. This challenges focus on learning with AI. In 40 days, user learn simple AI powered design gigs they can start right away. Things like content creation, automation, freelancing tasks, or using AI to make quick income for students, beginner trying to make extra money, anyone who wants income focused AI skill. 28-day AI challenge. This is one of the another month-long challenge but appears to the most general AI skill building with multiple tools and apps include. The visual show many AI tools, meaning the challenge teaches you different apps and how to use them daily. Great for beginners waiting hand-on experience, people who want to explore multiple AI tools, learners who love daily tasks. No coding challenge. This challenge teaches you how to create these things without any coding using no-code AI tools and platform. AI-powered website builder, no-code automation tools, design tools, workflow creation without programming. Great for entrepreneurs, non-technical learners, people who want to build things fast with AI. What are the AI tool in Cursive? The AI tool section inside Cursive is a dedicated area where user can apply that way learn using real practical AI tools. It's designed to help beginners and imitators user practice AI skill instant for only reading lesson. Here is a complete breakdown. Practical hands-on AI tool. Cursive does not just teach theory. The AI tool section lets you actually use AI inside the platform. You can create, generate, write, or analyze content directly using this built-in tool. It's like a small AI workspace where you can practice anything. Multiple category of AI tool. Inside the AI tool section, you will find several tool categories such as content creation tool, blog posts, social media content, video script, articles, perfect for creators and beginners. For image tools, for creator, AI image, graphics, creative installation, useful for designer, marketers or student. Copyright tools for marketing, copy, ads, product description, sales, content, good for freelancer and business. Research, analyze tool to summarize information, analyze text, extra exciting, organize data, help student, professional and researchers. productivity tools to organize tasks, create workflows, speed up daily work, automate small tasks, makes your work faster and easier. AI tool for popular platform Coursera includes guides and tools for well-known at systems like ChatGPT, Qlikut, Jasper, Stable Diffusion, Midjourney, DALL-E, DeepSeek. This helps users learn different AI models from one place. AI Boost for practice. Coursera also has AI Boost, interactive boost that let you know practice conversation prompts, real tasks. You can test your skill and get comfortable using AI. Real project and real output. You can use the tool to create actually content, image, business materials, side gig projects. And that brings to the end of today's deep dive. If you watched this far, you already know that Coursera is not just another learning website. It's a powerful, well-structured platform built for anyone who wants to improve their AI skills in practical and beginner-friendly way. From guidance challenge to handout tools, from beautiful design lesson, Coursera truly stands out as one of the most organized and thoughtful AI learning platforms available right now. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe and share it with someone who wants to start their AI journey. And if you want to explore Coursera yourself, I highly recommend checking it out. It may just be the platform that changed the way you learn and use AI. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.